If you haven't been shopping for a home or a refinance in the last couple weeks, you might be shocked to see what's happened to the interest rates. The interest rates in the threes on a 30-year fixed have passed. And what happened? A couple things. One is, oddly enough, the person who won did the opposite to the stock market than what was expected. It was expected that if Trump won, there'd be a flight to bonds. Well, there wasn't. There was a stock market rally. And when people feel comfortable with the economy and the direction of the economy and the direction of the leadership, they go to stocks. They feel comfortable in taking risks that otherwise they might not. When people flight to bonds, we see the pricing of bonds doesn't have to be as competitive in those situations. So the bond prices go up, interest rates come down. Now, what's happened is opposite that. The stock market has rallied. Job numbers are coming in strong. Those are expected this week. The Feds are meeting next week, and they're fully expected to raise the interest rates a quarter. We have things that are occurring in a succession that are going to continue to have interest rates rise. Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, NAR, and MBA all have changed their estimates, saying that over the next 4 quarters, interest rates will continue to rise. So, does that change your plans? Is it no longer a good time to buy? Well, I would argue that now is still a great time to buy. Now, you might not get a rate in the 3s, but the 4s are historically great rates. You will get a phenomenally better rate than your brother or sister did 10 years ago, that your parents did 20 years ago, or your grandparents did 40 years ago. Interest rates are still at historical lows. I would also argue that interest rates have to rise to 9.1% to tip the scales in favor of renting. So we still have a ways to go. Even if we're hovering between 4 and 4.5, depending on your scenario, credit score, loan to value, there's so many things that go into a rate. You are still well under what it would take to tip the scales to renting. Now is a fabulous time to buy, and we're still seeing continued appreciation rates. So if you want to look at your specific numbers, how interest rates are going to affect your purchase price, which will be interesting as well, as we might see a shift to lower price homes as the new year commences. If you want to know what you can afford given today's interest rates, give us a call. My name is Nicole Rueth. I'm with Fairway Mortgage, and my team is on standby waiting to hear from you. You can reach us on our office number at 303-214-6393. And if you know of other people that are dipping their toes in, thinking that they want to buy, now is better than later. And I can make it perfectly clear mathematically why that's true. So if you know of anybody that's thinking about buying sometime in the next month to 12 months, have them give me a call. Pass this video on to them. Or if you're a realtor watching this and you have clients, please forward this on as well. We look forward to serving you. Again, Nicole Rueth, Fairway Mortgage. I hope you're making it a great day.